Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let us see how barley is good for you, its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Barley is a widely used grain all across the globe with abundant nutrients, fiber, plant compounds and impressive health benefits. It aims at better digestion, lowers cholesterol and keeps the heart healthy. It also helps to reduce hunger and promotes weight loss too. Now let us see its benefits. Firstly, it is a rich source of nutrients. Whole grain barley is rich in vitamins, minerals and other beneficial plant compounds. On soaking and sprouting the grain, it increases the nutrient value, antioxidant levels and improves absorption of the various nutrients. It helps to reduce hunger and lose weight. Barley contains soluble fiber beta-glucan that helps in the slow digestion process and lowers the absorption of nutrients. In other words, it keeps you full and reduces appetite, thus promotes weight loss. Insoluble and soluble fiber improves digestion. The high fibers in the grain helps the food move through the gut faster, thus helps in better digestion. It also enhances disorders in the stomach, irritable bowel movements and ulcerative colitis. It also prevents gallstones and reduces chances of gallstone surgery. The insoluble fiber in the grain may prevent the formation of gallstones and reduces the risk of surgery. Beta-glucan helps in lowering the cholesterol. The insoluble fiber reduces the cholesterol level, prevents its formation and increases its excretion through the feces. And lastly, it reduces the risk of heart disease. If you add barley in your regular diet, it may reduce bad cholesterol and lowers the risk of any heart diseases and blood pressure. Barley, a healthy grain with innumerable health benefits, provides better digestion, reduces hunger and promotes weight loss. Now let us see a simple barley recipe for breakfast. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1.5 cup of water, half cup uncooked pearl barley, 1 sliced banana, half cup chopped apple, 2 teaspoons of honey, a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now let us see how to prepare the same. Firstly, boil water in a pan. Add rinsed pearl barley and stir well. Add cinnamon powder and salt and mix well. Reduce the heat and cover it with a lid. Cook the barley until soft for 20 to 25 minutes. Then turn off the stove. Top with banana slices, chopped apple and honey. Serve hot. Hopefully you would agree with me and try including the healthy barley in your regular breakfast. Thank you.